Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Instagram Reels not working. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, fully close Instagram from the recent apps screen so it is not running in the background. Then reopen Instagram and try loading Reels again to see if the issue was temporary. Check your internet by opening a website or playing a YouTube video to confirm your connection works. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test whether one network is causing the problem. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it off to refresh your network connection. Restart your phone to clear minor glitches that can stop Reels from loading properly. Open Instagram and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Go to Instagram settings and check if data saver is turned on. Then turn it off for better loading. In the same settings area, confirm you did not restrict background data for Instagram on your phone. If you use a VPN, turn it off because it can block Instagram video services in some regions. Check if Instagram is down by searching Instagram status online or using a downtime checker website. Update Instagram from the App Store or Google Play because old versions often break Reels features. After updating, open Instagram and wait 1 minute to let it refresh content and permissions. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, and tap Clear Cache to remove corrupted temporary files. On iPhone, offload the Instagram app in iPhone storage. Then reinstall it to refresh app data safely. Make sure your phone has enough free storage because low space can stop video features from working. Go to your phone settings and confirm date and time are set to automatic for correct server syncing. Check Instagram permissions and allow network access, notifications, and storage where needed for smooth playback. Disable battery saver or low power mode temporarily because it can limit video loading in the background. Open Instagram, go to Reels, and try playing several Reels to test if only one video was stuck. If one specific Reel fails, report it or skip it because the content itself may be unavailable. Log out of Instagram, close the app, then log back in to refresh your account session. Try switching to a different Instagram account if available to confirm the issue is not account-specific. Check for a phone system update and install it because outdated system components can affect media playback. Uninstall Instagram completely, restart your phone, and reinstall Instagram for a clean, reliable reset. After reinstalling, log in, allow any prompts, and test Reels before changing more settings. If Reels still does not work, contact Instagram help in the app and include screenshots and your device model. Keep Instagram updated and avoid using unofficial mods to prevent Reels problems from returning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.